The mean annual salary for flight attendants is $70,700 with a standard deviation of $14,500. A random sample of 48 flight attendants is selected from the population. What is the probability that the mean annual salary of the sample is less than $68,000? So we want to use the normal CDF, but before we can do that, we need to find mu x bar and sigma x bar. So mu x bar is equal to mu, which is 70,700. Sigma x bar is equal to sigma over the square root of n, so 14,500 over the square root of 48. And this is 2092.894726. So here is our picture, and we are using larger numbers. So I'm going to use negative 999,999 to represent negative infinity. So normal CDF, negative infinity, 68,000, and then again for the mean and standard deviation, we are using mu x bar and sigma x bar. And this is equal to 0.0985.